Now let us see the problem. Agarwal book exercise number 7B. Okay. Problem number 35. How much pure alcohol must be added to 400 ml of a 15% solution to make its strength as 32%? Okay. So let us first understand the problem. Okay, what is that? There is some solution in that it is mixed with alcohol and some dilution. Let it be water. Okay, two items are there. One is alcohol and another one is water. There we have a strength of alcohol as 15%. Initially, there was 400 ml of the liquid there with a strength of alcohol as 15%. Okay, so two solutions are mixed there with 15% of alcohol in that. Okay, is this clear? Now let us make it a mathematical statement. Quantity of the solution is what? What is that they have given? 400 ml. Okay, what is the concentration, initial concentration of alcohol they have given? 15%. Let me write it mathematically. Okay, now what they are asking, to make it as a strength of 32%, how much pure alcohol? What we have to add, make it as a pure, more strengthened one, we have to add alcohol or water? To increase the strength of alcohol in the solution, we need to add alcohol only, no? So how much more alcohol has to be added to make it as strong, and its strength is 32% they are asking. Okay, so first whatever quantity they have given, let us list out. What is the thing they have given? Quantity of solution, the mixture of these two is 400 ml they have given. So first we have written that the concentration of alcohol, earlier concentration of alcohol as given is 15%. That also we wrote. So from this what information we get? How much alcohol actual quantity is there also we can find. Is it possible or not? See, 15% of alcohol in 400 ml of solution, we can find out now. So how much actually it is there? Cancel out the zeros, you will be getting 15 into 4, it is 60 ml. So in 400 ml, okay, in 400 ml you are having 60 ml of alcohol, the rest are water. Okay, so 400 minus 60, how much it will be? Say 10 minus 6 is 4, 340. Okay, 340 ml will be water. This thing we are not in need of, only 60 ml only I need. But let me just see to have a better understanding. Okay, so 60 ml of alcohol is there now. 340 ml of water is there. Now we are going to increase the strength of alcohol. Okay, so let that quantity, that is what they are asking now, how much you have to pour alcohol, okay, pure alcohol into that solution. So how much we have to pour it? Only alcohol we need to pour, not the water, right? Only alcohol we are going to pour. Let that be x. Okay, so let me call it as let. Okay, see the way I am writing, whatever I need I will be calling it as let the volume of pure alcohol to be added. Okay, to be added, okay, be x ml. Okay, let me call it as x. I need to find this x finally, right? That is the one required now. Now to make it as a solution of strength of 32 ml, we need to add only alcohol, right? Not water. Now how much is the total quantity now? See, we have poured x ml. Okay, you just understand, you have poured x ml already. 400 ml is there. Now total quantity will be 400 plus x, right? After pouring x quantity, this would have increased with an amount of 400 plus x ml, right? So now how I can write it as? Now, okay, the total quantity of solution, total quantity of solution is equal to 400 plus x ml. Is it clear? Okay, now what is given? Given we need to increase the strength of alcohol by 32 percentage, right? What is that actually? 32 by 100, right? So we need to increase that. So for 100, how I can understand it properly? If I put a box, if 100 parts is there, 32 parts, okay, this is alcohol content. Okay, this is total. What is that? The total solution. See, if you closely see, I have put some red dots for water and blue lines for acid or alcohol, sorry. Okay, so if I have to increase this strength, I have to increase alcohol only. So let me call it as X, I said. Okay, now if this strength has to be increased by 32% for 132 parts means, what is the quantity we are actually having? 400 plus x, right? The solution is now 400 plus x quantity. Okay, so for that, how much it is? 32 we are saying, no? So let us see how we have to write. Okay, now already we have 60 ml of acid in that. Yes, plus x quantity I am increasing for 400 plus x quantity. Let me explain again. See, already 60, how much we have alcohol? How much we have? Alcohol already I have 60 ml, right? Already I have 60 ml. Now I have poured x ml, correct? Now I have poured x ml. So out of 100, if it is 32, now it is 60 plus x out of 400 plus x. Is it clear? Out of 100, if we call it as 32 percentage, now the actual quantity is 60 plus x out of 400 plus x. That's why I am writing like this. Okay, equal to 32 by 100. This is the linear equation it is required to find out that x. Okay, so if we solve this, how we can solve? As you know, solving is easier. Let me do 60. Let us cross multiply this. Okay, multiply it by 100, and this goes up 32 times 400 plus x. Okay, so this implies 6000 plus 100x equal to 32 into 400. Okay, plus 32x. What is 32 into 400? It is 6800 plus 32x. Okay, now here I have 6000. Okay, so let me collect all the x quantity alone in one side, unknown in the left side, and known quantity in the right side. Okay, known quantity in the right side always, unknown in the left. So what do we have? 68x is equal to 6800, which implies x is equal to 6800 divided by 68. Okay, so that's nothing but 100. X is equal to 100, that is x, that is 100 ml of alcohol has to be poured. Yes, x, how much amount we are pouring? X amount of alcohol is poured to make it as a strength of 32%. Okay, so now we have arrived at 100 as answer. 100 ml of alcohol has to be poured to make it as a strength of 32%. Got it? Let me give a close view of the pages. Thank you.